Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can get 120 FPS or turn on the mode which will allow you to get 120 FPS in Battlefield 6 on your PS5 console. It's pretty easy. The first thing we need to do is to just go to the gear icon at the top, and right here from the left side menu we're gonna select the option graphic, and once you do that, here you have the first option at the top, performance preset, which should be set on performance in order to get 120 fps on your PS5 console. So if you set this on balance, then it will give you 60 fps at 4K, but if you want to get 120 fps, then you should have enabled this option performance on performance preset. Once you do that, you can just get back from this and it will be saved on your game. To double check this, open the PS5 settings and just scroll. You're gonna see the option screen and video. Once you select that, you need to select video output and again scroll. You're gonna see this kind of options. The first is 120 Hz output, which should be set on automatic, then ALM, which should be turned off, and the last one is video transfer rate, which should be set on automatic. Once you do that, you are ready to get 120 fps on Battlefield 6. And yeah, that's pretty much of it. This is exactly how you can turn on this mode in order to get 120 fps. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.